In this video, we'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your smartphone. For now, we'll show you the process on an iPhone, but the process for an Android phone isn't that different. First of all, you need to open up App Store on your phone. Tap the search bar at the top of your screen and type in WhatsApp. When you see the app appear in the search results, tap the download and install button on the right to begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you can tap open to set up the app. And that's all you need to know to download and install WhatsApp on your smartphone. For more helpful hints about how to stay connected, please go to jtglobal.com/JT-help. Thanks for watching.